Pollution Control Board, ASSAM has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 59 Assistant Engineer Junior Accountant, Grade 4 and other vacancy at Pollution Control Board, ASSAM. Intending and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of posts: Assistant Planning and Research Officer. Number of posts: 1. Assistant Engineer. Number of posts: 11. Environmental Scientist. Number of posts: 7. Assistant Programmer. Number of posts: 1. Junior Accountant. Number of posts: 5. Administrative Assistant. Number of posts: 14. Scientific Assistant. Number of posts: 1. Grade 4. Number of posts: 19. Age limit: candidate should not be more than 38 years and less than 18 years of age as on the 1st of January 2023. Candidate must be born on or before the 1st of January 2005 and on or after the 1st of January 1985. Subject notification from time to time. Age relaxation: upper age limit is relaxable. Notification from time to time as under. SC, ST, 5 years. OBC, MOBC, 3 years. Educational qualification: Assistant Engineer, B. Tech, AME in Chemical, Civil, Environmental, Mechanical Engineering from a government recognized university institute. Environmental Scientist, MSc, in Chemical, Biological, Life, Environmental Science from a government recognized university institute. Scientific Assistant, minimum HSSLC level with Chemistry, Biology from a government recognized institute. Assistant Programmer, BSc. Comp, SC, DCA, BSc, with A level PGDCA from a government recognized university institute. Assistant Planning and Research Officer, Master Degree in Geography, Economics, Statistics, Mass Communication from a government recognized university institute. Reading and writing skills in Assamese are preferable. Junior Accountant, BCom, BBA from a recognized university with minimum 6 months certificate diploma in computer applications. Candidates having MCom degree shall be preferred. Administrative Assistant, graduate in any discipline with minimum 6 months certificate diploma in computer applications. Grade 4, Class 10, HSLC passed from a government recognized institute. Starting date of submission of online application, the 1st of April 2023. Last date of submission of online application, the 21st of April 2023. Advertisement details and official website: check the description box.